Okay, to get your blades off of your Hart mower, this is a dual blade system. I love it. Pretty, very pretty, very pretty. I like it. You're gonna put your 15 millimeter socket on there, and you could just put your hand against this, not even hold on to it. Loosen that up. If you're gonna hold on to it, put gloves on. If you're not gonna hold on to it, still put gloves on. All right. So when you take it off, I always like to take it off in pieces. Piece first. I'm gonna set that down there. I'm gonna take this piece. I'm gonna set that on top of that. I'm gonna take our two blades off. We're gonna take our next piece off. Set her down in there. And then the next piece, just so it doesn't fall out, we're gonna set it down there. So, our nut's gonna be sitting here from this side. So, I'm gonna go sharpen these blades.